Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're diving into the fascinating world of venture capital. If you've ever wondered how startups and innovative ideas get off the ground, this video is for you. We'll explore the basics of venture capital, its role in supporting entrepreneurship, and how it shapes the startup ecosystem. So, let's jump right in. Today we'll break venture capital down into 7 different topics. What is venture capital? The importance of venture capital, how venture capital works, the venture capital ecosystem, risks and rewards of venture capital, examples of successful venture capital-backed startups, and tips for attracting venture capital. Topic 1. What is venture capital? Before we dive into the details of venture capital, let's start with the basics. Venture capital is a form of private equity investment that provides funding to early-stage, high-potential startups with growth potential. Venture capitalists invest in these type of companies in exchange for equity or ownership stakes. Topic 2. The importance of venture capital. Venture capital plays a crucial role in fostering innovation and entrepreneurship. It provides startups with the capital they need to bring their ideas to life, fuel growth, and scale their operations. Without venture capital, many groundbreaking technologies and companies we know today might not have become a reality. Topic 3. How venture capital works. Venture capitalists raise funds from institutional investors, such as pension funds, endowments, and wealthy individuals. These funds are pooled together into a venture capital fund. The fund managers or general partners then select promising startups to invest in on behalf of the fund's limited partners. The investments are typically made in stages, known as rounds, with increasing amounts of funding as the startup progresses. Topic 4. The venture capital ecosystem. The venture capital ecosystem consists of various players. In addition to venture capitalists and startups, it includes angel investors, who provide early-stage funding, and accelerators, which offer mentorship and support to startups. There are also startup hubs and innovation centers that foster collaboration and knowledge exchange among entrepreneurs. Topic 5. Risks and rewards of venture capital. Venture capital investing involves both risks and rewards. While some investments may result in substantial returns, others may fail to deliver. Venture capitalists carefully evaluate startups, looking for those with high growth potential and solid business models. They often take an active role in supporting portfolio companies, providing guidance, industry connections, and expertise to increase their chances of success. Topic 6. Examples of successful venture capital-backed startups. Over the years, venture capital has nurtured some remarkable success stories. Companies like Airbnb, Uber, and SpaceX have all received significant funding from venture capitalists. These startups revolutionize industries and reshape the way we travel, book accommodations, and explore space. Topic 7. Tips for attracting venture capital. If you have an innovative startup and aspire to secure venture capital funding, here are a few tips. Develop a compelling business plan that showcases your vision and growth potential. Build a strong team with relevant experience and expertise. Network and connect with investors through events, conferences, and pitch competitions. Demonstrate traction and progress, such as user growth, revenue, or partnerships. And that's a wrap for today's video on venture capital. We hope you've gained a better understanding of how venture capital fuels innovation and supports startups. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and click the notification bell to stay updated with our future content. Keep dreaming big and chasing those entrepreneurial goals. As always, thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.